Hi, my name is Gabrielle Venziel, and this is my screencast for my interactive quiz based on my assignment from last week, which was how to write a research paper. My quiz starts off with this main page where students click the green button to move on to the quiz page. In this case, my audience is in 8th grade language arts class, and the objective is that students will be able to identify and write an in-text citation in a research paper. So when students move on to the next screen, which is the quiz screen, it asks them the question, which is the proper in-text citation for a print book? I made sure that I specified which book, because citations for online books and print books are different. Students can click the A, B, C, or D, and students are given an example of an in-text citation for each one. They have to look over it carefully and decide which is the proper option. For each one that students select, it'll bring them to a page. If students select A, it'll bring them to an incorrect page. It'll give them the rationale, and they can click this blue button, which will bring them back to the quiz. I left this page simple because it's a simple rationale. I didn't feel like much images were needed in this case to display the rationale. If they click B, they will get the correct answer, which will also give them the rationale, and they can click the blue button to go back. If students click C, it'll bring them to this page, which again gives them an incorrect answer, and it gives them rationale. If they click on the hand down here, it'll bring them to a page, which is Al at Purdue, which is a research writing lab, and it will tell them the difference between direct quotations, paraphrasing, and summarizing. If students click the blue button, again, they will go back to the quiz. Students click D, they will again get an incorrect answer and the rationale, and there is another hand down here, which will bring them to Al at Purdue, and it will tell them how to correctly order and write a works cited page. Students can again go back to the blue arrow, which will bring them to the main quiz screen. Students, when they get to this screen, they will be finished. On my first screen, I put my references at the bottom, which links to the last page. If we go from the beginning and click the green button, it'll bring students to the quiz. If students click A, it'll bring them to the page with the rationale, and click back. Click on B, it'll bring them to the correct answer, and they can again go back to the quiz. If they click on C, it'll bring them to the rationale, and if they click on the hand, it'll bring them to Al at Purdue, which was direct quotations, paraphrasing, and summarizing, where students can read through and get more clarification if they got their answer wrong, or even if they need the information. If students click D, it'll bring them again to their rationale, and they can click on the hand, and it'll bring them to Al at Purdue, and it'll bring up a page on how to write a works cited page. Students can exit, go back to the quiz, and then they're done.